Okay, this is an update of our nesting and cameras at Brisbane Drive. This is the backyard. There's 5 eggs for the red-breasted nuthatches. But we also have the red robins, which have just hatched. So 1 egg of the robin, the American robin, is hatched. And one has an, oh, there. Maybe the mom will feed her. Then on camera number 3, excuse me, we have red-breasted nuthatches, and 3 of the 4 eggs have hatched. Not sure about yeah, so both the male and female have been getting food for them. Let's go back to have a look at the robins. Nuthatches. Oh, and she's back on her eggs. Alright, stay tuned for updates. Bye for now.